Why don't you ask a senior to help you pack for a vacation? Because they'll just pack up and leave without you. Everything will be neatly done, but you'll be left behind, still looking for sunscreen. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on packing help for seniors. Tip 1. Start early. For seniors, packing can be an overwhelming task, especially if it involves a lifetime of belongings. It's thus essential to begin packing early, at least a few weeks to a month before the moving date. Starting early allows for packing in small, manageable increments, reducing the physical and emotional stress that may come from rushing to pack everything at once. Tip 2. Prioritize possessions. Evaluating and prioritizing possessions can be a challenging but crucial part of the packing process for seniors. Items can be grouped into categories like must-haves, nice-to-haves, and don't-needs. This process can give a clear idea of what should be packed, sold, donated, or disposed of. Tip 3. Use smaller boxes. For the physical well-being of seniors, it's advisable to use smaller boxes for packing. These boxes are easier to lift, carry, and unpack. Heavy items like books should be packed in small boxes, while light items can go in larger boxes. Tip 4. Label everything. Clearly label all boxes on the top and on the sides with a description of contents and the room they belong to. This helps not only in finding items easily when unpacking, but also in ensuring that movers put the boxes in the correct rooms. Tip 5. Take breaks often. Due to age, seniors may experience fatigue more quickly. Therefore, it's important to remember to take frequent breaks while packing. This could be to eat, hydrate, rest, or just simply to relax. Tip 6. Get help. Don't hesitate to ask for help from family, friends, or professionals. Many hands make light work and can make the process less daunting and more enjoyable. Plus, you'll have people to share memories with as you go through your items. Tip 7. Keep medications and important documents handy. Pack a personal bag with essentials that will be needed immediately, such as medications, important documents, a change of clothes, and toiletries. This bag should be kept with you and not with the moving truck. Tip 8. Declutter. A move is a great opportunity to declutter and downsize. Donate or give away items that are no longer needed. It will simplify the move and the new space. Tip 9. Use packing as an opportunity for reminiscing. Packing doesn't have to be just a chore. It can also be an opportunity to take a walk down memory lane. It can be an emotional process for seniors as they sort through items filled with a lifetime of memories. Tip 10. Stay organized. Create a moving checklist. This keeps you organized and ensures that nothing important is forgotten. In addition, consider drawing out a plan of your new space to help visualize where your belongings will go. Tip 11. Make comfort items a priority. Once you've reached your new home, unpack the items that provide comfort first. This might be family photos, a favorite chair, or a familiar blanket. This will make the new environment feel more like home and help to alleviate some of the uncertainty or anxiousness that might accompany such a significant change.